Hey YouTube, RPM Matter here, got a video for you. It's going to be a knife review on a knife I just picked up. This is the Boker Kalashnikov. It's an automatic side opening knife. This is the 65th anniversary knife. I don't know if you can see the etching on the blade there. You coming in? Alright, so quick specs on this. It's a Boker. I think it's a Boker Plus. Quick specs is the blade is AUS-8 stainless steel. Blade length is 3 1/4 inches. The overall length is 7 1/2 inches. The color is olive drab. That's what they're calling olive drab. The handle material, the handle is 4 1/4. And the weight is assassinated right to the side of the head. Thanks. The weight is 3.5 ounces and the handle is made of aluminum. I've done videos on these automatics before, but like I said, this is the 65th anniversary and there's only 650 of these being made, and this one is number 285 out of that 650, and there's still some available on Blade HQ. And they're running $39.95. So if you're interested to get one before they're gone, go check them out. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you.